Hey guys, Davin Lim, dermatologist. Today's topic is how to deliver good skincare ingredients without the needles itself. Now, one of the rate limiting factors of delivering powerful ingredients into your skin is the lack of penetration. So, dermatologists have what's known as the 500 kilodalton rule, which means any substance that's bigger than 500 kilodaltons has less penetration or obscured penetration through the upper layer of your skin called the stratum corneum. It doesn't matter how good or how active your skincare is, whether it's a super powerful vitamin or a peptide, if it can't penetrate the upper layers of the skin, it's not going to work. So how do we overcome this? As dermatologists, we overcome this in clinic using certain devices. And the devices could be as simple as microneedling, but as complex as laser itself. Now, the downside about microneedling is that it requires anesthetic in recovery. So remember, microneedling uses tiny fine needles to penetrate the upper layers of the skin. This basically puts a little hole in what's known as your epidermis, the top layer of the skin, thereby allowing your actives, whether it be peptides, vitamins, and actives such as retinols, to go into the deeper layers of skin. With microneedling, there's a downtime of between 2 to 4 days. The other thing that we use commonly is what's known as laser-assisted drug delivery. Laser-assisted drug delivery, as the name suggests, employs the use of various lasers. You can use things called non-ablative laser resurfacing, which has less downtime. But the problem with non-ablative laser resurfacing is twofold: the cost, but also the expense to the patient. The cost itself for the clinic with each of these devices ranges between $50,000 all the way up to $250,000. This, of course, is passed on to the patient because each procedure itself costs between $800 US all the way up to $2,000 US per procedure. This, however, has also downtime. So if you're using your non-ablative lasers, your downtime approaches 3 to 5 days. However, if you're using more powerful lasers such as your CO2 lasers or your erbium lasers, your downtime increases to about 5 to 7 days in the context of fractional laser resurfacing. So there you have it. This is how traditionally physicians and dermatologists deliver powerful skin actives into the deeper layers of skin. So how do we minimize the downtime for the patient, but also maximize the ingredient delivery? This leads me on to the sponsors of this video. Now, what if you could deliver these powerful ingredients without the pain or recovery time? That's where Indonill's Altum peptide technology comes in, offering a pain-free solution that improves the penetration of skincare ingredients into the deeper layers of skin, helping to achieve that coveted glass skin look. In fact, Altum peptide acts as a glassifier, transforming your skin into a smoother, more radiant and flawless version of itself. So guys, let's take a closer look at how this innovative Korean beauty technology works. The Altum needling system technology uses a spicule delivery system. Spicules are microscopic needle-like particles that are bonded with active ingredients. These spicules create precise microchannels in the skin, allowing the active ingredients to reach the deeper layers. This is where they can work more effectively and efficiently. These spicules gently allow the ingredients to penetrate the skin's barrier, much like microneedling or lasers itself, but without the pain, heat, injury, or downtime. Two powerful peptides are used in this technology. These are GHK tripeptide, known for its ability to promote collagen synthesis and support the skin barrier recovery, thereby strengthening and restoring the skin's integrity. The second is called acetyl hexapeptide 8, which is recognized for its effectiveness in reducing wrinkles and refining pores. This results in a smoother, more useful complexion. However, despite these powerful benefits, peptides are notoriously difficult to absorb through the skin, with a typical absorption rate of only 0.01%. Only a tiny fraction of these active ingredients can reach the deeper layers where they can deliver the results. This is where Altum needling technology truly shines. So thanks to the covalent bonding system, these peptides stay securely attached to the spicules and are only released when they encounter glutathione in the skin. This enables a more stable and targeted delivery, improving absorption by up to 60 times compared to traditional methods. Even larger molecules such as peptides, which usually struggle to penetrate the skin, are delivered effectively and efficiently to the areas where they can make the most impact. What makes this treatment stand out is the covalent bonding system. In older spicule delivery technologies, active ingredients often shed off even before reaching the target. But with Altum needling technology, these peptides remain securely attached to the spicules, ensuring more efficient targeted delivery. Another major advantage of the Altum needling system is that it's almost non-invasive. So unlike microneedling or lasers, there's no need for needles, heat, downtime or recovery. You can have the treatment and immediately go about your day with no irritation or recovery time. So guys, in summary, whilst microneedling and lasers are effective, they often come with discomfort, cost and downtime. The spicule delivery system allows a gentler, pain-free solution that delivers active ingredients deep into the skin without the need for needles or lasers, thus improving comfort levels, and also it provides an efficient way to deliver active ingredients deeper into the skin for that glass skin glow.